Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Welcome back to my channel, Perfume Pages, which is the destination for authentic perfume reviews. Yes, in this channel, I am going to review the perfumes which I have bought from my own money, which is none of them is sponsored, and I am giving my honest review about the perfumes. Okay, so in continuation with this, today I welcome you to the sensual carnival of the Caramel Cascade perfumes. Yes, and in this video I am going to review one of the most beautiful caramel based fragrances by one of the most trusted companies. So without wasting the time, let's unbox and continue to have the review. As I already told, I am welcoming you to the one of the most beautiful caramel based fragrances, that is the carnival of the caramel based fragrances. Yes, it is none other than the company called Paris Corner. You have all heard, I think. Yes, so in Paris Corner, with this price, I think you will never get a chance to feel the fragrance of the caramel, to feel the feeling of the caramel. So this is called Paris Corner Tuscan Caramel Cascade. Yes, you can see the box. Okay, so this is the original perfume. I bought it from the official website of the Paris Corner. So I have tested this perfume, wearing this for the office. So I will tell my journey with this perfume. So as soon as you open the box, you will get the bottle like this. It has the color of very desert in nature, that is, and caramel. Definitely it gives the vibes of this color. See, this is the bottle. You can have a look. And by the way, this is happened during the transportation. It has nothing to do with the bottle's ability or agility. Okay, so they have given a good wonderful bottle. It feels very premium, and the cap is also a little bit heavy. It doesn't feel any local like that. Okay, so as soon as you open the cap and you smell this perfume now, you can feel the vibe of this perfume by smelling this sprayer. It is such a good fragrance. So straight away, let us test. Yeah, I am testing this perfume by spraying on my skin. Yes, as soon as you first spray on your skin, definitely you will be seductive. I will tell you why. Because in the top notes, you are having master of the fragrance, that is caramel, that is mixed with the creamy milk. So whenever the caramel based fragrances mixed with creamy or choco like another fragrance, definitely it gives a seductive feeling. Your attention will all be diverted toward this fragrance. That type of fragrance, this is caramel with creamy milk. It has very uplifting creamy milk fragrance, and the caramel is also not too very loud. It has very good intensity and very mild in nature. So what happens if you make caramel more than the creamy milk? It feels bittery as and when it progresses. So that is not in this case. Caramel is mild in nature, not too very mild and not too very loud. It is balanced in nature, and that creamy milk, definitely it gives a seductive feeling. Yes. As and when it settles down, it is moving into the heart notes. So in the heart notes, you will get to feel tonka bean mixed with a very warm feel fragrance, that is honey. Yes, in the heart notes, it is mixed with tonka bean and the honey, where this uplift that creamy milky fragrances, and it helps that creamy milky fragrance to stay on your skin for the long time. So tonka bean and the honey definitely plays the role in the heart notes. So in the base notes, this caramel cascade, how it will complete the round. Yes, in the base note, it is mixed with another very sweety, another lovable fragrance, that is none other than vanilla. Yes, in the base notes, it is mixed with the vanilla, that too in a heavy proportion, which makes this fragrance to settle down on your skin for the long time with a very sweetish note. Not only vanilla, it has been mixed with the ambery as well as the white musk. Yes, Yes, ambery as well as the white musk, which enriches the sweetness of this fragrance. So by this base and the hard notes, definitely it stands out with very rich, sweety and creamy in nature. It is a very oriental fragrance. So going on with the performance, how does it perform? So longevity, yes, I need to tell about the longevity. Longevity, there is an issue with the longevity. The only concern of this fragrance is the longevity. It will not give you more than 5 hours. It will not last more than 5 hours. 4 to 5 hours is maximum in the longevity. And on the skin, definitely it will last for 4 to 5 hours. On the cloth, it can maximum stretch up to 5 to 5.5 hours. And compliment getter, yes, definitely it's a compliment getter. People around you definitely will notice when you leave the seat or when you leave your place. Definitely it will leave the trail of the fragrance. And when you can spray or when you can use this perfume, so it is perfectly suits for the winter fragrance, not very harsh winter. For mild winters, definitely it will suit. So still it is February in many parts of the India, definitely it will be useful as the winter is still going on. It is not that you cannot use in the summers, definitely you can use in the summers also, but winters this blends perfectly well. And where you can wear this for the date nights, definitely it is an yes for the date nights, for the parties, for get together, and for receptions, marriages, definitely this gives an appeal to your body language. So this is my review about the Paris Corner's Tuscan Caramel Cascade. For the price point, what they are charging on the official website, it is around 1550. From the grey market, you can get it around 1300, 1400. For the price point, definitely it is the bang for the bucks. So definitely you will be fall in love when you spray this perfume, that I can guarantee you. So friends, I am concluding this video. Hope you all enjoy and get an information about this video. So if you like this video, please give the thumbs up and share this video to your friends and other fragrance and frag lovers. So meet you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling, enjoy the day. Thank you. Good night.